DeLonghi Dinamica Fully Automatic Espresso Machine Review. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Our new, innovative machine with patented professional brewing and frothing technology exceeds the expectations of espresso connoisseurs. Treat yourself to 18 easy-to-brew authentic espresso drinks, like cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, regular and iced coffee, and other coffee shop recipes, with a touch of a button. And choosing your drink is simple. Dinamica with LatteCrema has an intuitive LCD display, where you can easily select and brew your beverage. If you prefer a more personalized experience, you can set up and save your favorite recipes with the My Menu feature, so you could enjoy your perfect custom recipe on demand. Our built-in Conical Burr Grinder has 13 settings, thus you can use any whole coffee beans your local coffee shop or store provides. The innovative, adjustable LatteCrema System automatically froths your milk for perfectly textured foam in your lattes and cappuccinos, which also works with alternative milk like soy, rice, and oat milk. Dinamica's milk frother can be stored in your fridge and it is dishwasher safe, which makes your latte moments hassle-free. From grinding the freshest beans to creating a rich, creamy froth, everything happens instantly. Our dual heating system allows this machine to grind your coffee beans while it froths your milk, so you can create multiple drinks for your family gathering in minutes. For added convenience, there's no complicated cleanup process, just pop out the drip tray, the milk carafe and put them in the dishwasher. So whether you're sharing your coffee moments with loved ones or discovering new specialty coffee drinks to indulge in, the Dinamica LatteCrema opens up a world of espresso in the comfort of your home. Frothing quality will vary depending on the type of dairy or non-dairy milk selected. DeLonghi recommends cold skim or 2% dairy milk, cold or non-dairy milk, such as rice, soy, or oat milk. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. From beans to latte, in a single touch. Reimagine your coffee experience at home. Number 2. 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes menu. Brew any of your favorite specialty coffee shop drinks at home, with just one touch of a button. Now you can enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, macchiatos, espressos, iced coffees, ristrettos, flat whites, and many more drinks. Number 3. Built-in Conical Burr Grinder. Treat yourself to always freshly ground espresso and save counter space with the integrated grinder. With 13 adjustable settings, this grinder ensures that the coffee beans of your choice are ground as evenly and finely as possible to bring out rich flavors and aroma. Number 4. LatteCrema System. Adjustable, self-cleaning milk frother automatically froths milk to the ideal density and texture for lattes, cappuccinos, flat white, and other espresso-based drinks. Plus, it's compatible with alternative milk too, like oat, rice, and soy. Number 5. The easiest machine to clean and maintain. Just pop out the drip tray and the milk carafe and put them in the dishwasher. Number 6. Dual heating system. No waiting time between making multiple cappuccinos and lattes with dual heating system. Dinamica grinds and froths simultaneously, thus the boiler is always at the right temperature and ready to brew. Number 7. Intuitive LCD display. Dinamica's elegant, compact, and modern design comes equipped with an easy-to-use LCD display, so choosing and brewing your drink comes naturally. Number 8. My Menu personalization. Store your perfect recipe and replicate it with a touch of the My Menu button. Select the recipe you want to personalize, choose strength, size of the drink, and amount of milk for your espresso-based drinks. Number 9. 2 years, plus 1 additional year for registering your coffee machine. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.